I remember.
March 15th, 2018 in Miami, Florida, the Florida International University Bridge collapsed.
I can hear it, but I don't actually see water coming out of it. Okay, no more hiss. Tool right here. Stick that in, push it in, and it pops off. Poof. Just like that. Hold. And okay. The sparker's right here. Okay. Alright, now we're ready. There we are.
Okay, when I turn this on, I only got cold. I can get my
Right. You only get hot over here.
Okay.
So this is like a dishwasher, it gets hot, but this one only gets cold temporarily. When I come back, I'll have an adapter to convert that. Yeah, you could use it. You can pull on it. It's good. It's good. Bolts.
Ooh, thank
New
you.
handle. Look, push handle. Look. See how the flapper stays up all by itself.